go. Yeah, Jana. Mr. Josephs. Jana.
Right behind you. The sound behind you is one your arrow. Behind us.
We did it. One all give us a round of applause for that. Adrian, we are happy to have you. San Bernardino Foundation always give a helping hand. With our first burn victim, we didn't get the chance to give her a welcome home because she passed away abroad. But with you, the Lord have blessed us to help you, and the Lord have see you through your journey, and you are back home, and we are grateful. And we just
on the journey on September the 4th, tragic incident happened where Adriana was preparing to go to school on September 5th. When she was home, when the house got burned down. She was actually the only survivor, and we managed to galvanize the support of everyone here in the room. And it goes to show that with teamwork as Jamaicans, we can achieve a lot more. Yes, and Adriana is a product of that. We managed, she needed 48 hours, that was the time. I called Minister, and Minister was able to help to galvanize the diaspora. And we got the job done. So Adriana is actually a miracle because we called actually 3 air ambulance when we got the medical report, and none of them were willing to take her. And then I called the Trinity Airlines, which the report was there, but they were willing to take the journey with us. And I managed to jump on the aircraft with her, and while on the aircraft, there were some very nervous moments in terms of the skin is the largest organ of the body, and it's hard to keep her temperature, and I see it fluctuating up and down, and it was a breathtaking flight. And when we got to the JM Burn Center, there were about 13 doctors headed by Dr. Hassan and his team. And I remember when they brought about 50 documents to be signed, and the anesthesia was asked